Hi, this is Wayne Morgan with the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. What I just said should mean something to you. If you want to get to the top of the best business in the world, please pay close attention to this message, because I'm going to tell you what other schools are hiding, what they don't want you to know, and what you can do to uncover the truth before you pay them to educate you. I'm going to show you some questions at the end of this message. I'm going to ask you to ask these questions to every other school. This is our free insider's guide called The 4 Dirty Secrets Most Real Estate Schools Don't Want You to Know. The answers may shock you. Again, my name is Wayne Morgan. I am the co-founder of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you how to do both. One isn't any good without the other. All real estate schools are not created the same. Where you go to school, who teaches you, and what you learn does make a difference in how successful you will be. What does that mean? It means most people who enter the business fail, because most real estate schools don't teach their students how to generate leads, find people who want to buy or sell a home today, go on appointments with them, or take them out in the field and show them how to show houses and conduct listing presentations. Why? Why don't other real estate schools besides us teach these topics? Why do they take your money, teach you to memorize test questions, and leave you twisting in the wind, not knowing how to schedule your time, talk to clients, build your business, or invest in real estate for your future? The reason? They don't know how. Most school owners have never listed or sold any homes. They just teach what the state tells them to teach. There is more to real estate than just getting a license. The license is a tool, and like any other tool, it is useless unless you know how to use it. Even a tool as simple as a hammer or a screwdriver is useless if you don't know how to use it. And think about it. What a waste of time and money it is to get a real estate license if no one shows you how to use it. So these are the 4 dirty secrets most schools don't want you to know. 1, there is more to real estate than just getting a license. 2, your license guarantees you nothing. 3, the attrition rate is above 85%. And 4, these schools have no idea what to do about it. This is why we created the Real Estate Business School. We teach you everything you need to know to get a real estate license, then we teach you how to use it, to make money, listing, selling, and investing in real estate. To thank you for your time today, and to introduce myself and our company to you, I'm going to send you a free autographed copy of this book, How to Get Rich in Real Estate and Have a Life. Stay tuned, as the instructions are at the end of this message. In this book, I'm going to describe this. This is the Real Estate Business Blueprint. You won't see it in any other real estate school because I created it. It is registered with the United States Trademark and Patent Office. We're the only school that has it, and we're the only school that teaches it. This is what I mean when I say we teach you how to use your license. Real estate is a business. Unless you treat it like a business and run it like a business, you'll soon be out of business. Learn to use your license by learning the 6 components of your business, the definition and goal of each, and how they function and fit together to form a synergetic whole. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to build your very own real estate business that serves people, makes their dreams come true, and provides you a financial future most people only dream about. The third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to invest in real estate so you will have your own retirement income. All you have to do is be committed and coachable and follow the formula. It's simple, and it's 3 steps. Here they are. Step 1, get your license. Learn the technical education you need to pass the state licensing exam. Step 2, build your business. Learn the business principles your clients expect you to have. Step 3, invest your profits. Invest the cash from your business into real estate to provide for yourself in the years after in the form of cash flow after you stop selling real estate. Get started today. Here's how you get a real estate license. First of all, you need to be a citizen of the United States or a lawfully admitted alien. You need to be 18 years or older and a resident of Texas. Then you have to meet TREC's requirements for honesty, trustworthiness, and integrity. Your qualifying education consists of 180 hours of classroom attendance and education. Send your education course completion documents to TREC after applying online or with your paper application. Then file your application, which you can do online or by mail. Then get your fingerprints taken and pass your background check. You're required by law to have fingerprints on file with the Texas Department of Public Safety, so a background check can be performed. A license will not be issued if the background check has not been passed. Then take the exam, then find a broker to sponsor you. For more details, go to our site at buildmyrebusiness.com, and one of our education counselors will be happy to walk you through it. Now, here's how you get your free autograph book. Email me, Wayne Morgan, at info@buildmyrebusiness.com. Insert Wayne's book in the subject line, then provide your name and address, and I'll mail you your own personal autograph copy, along with your own real estate business blueprint for your office wall. This will help you track your progress as together we build your business step by step. Now, here are the 15 questions that you need to get truthful answers to before you take any classes. You don't have to write these down. Simply go to our site, buildmyrebusiness.com, click on the resources button, and download the free report, How to Choose a Real Estate School. Thank you again for your time. Enjoy the book. I'll be looking for your email. Now go mind your own business.